What do you think, Lady Guji? Erika's got some cooking skills, huh?
Surprise, motherfucker!
The fried tofu is cooked to perfection, tender and juicy.
I'm Miko. Today I'm cosplaying as Miko from Genshin Impact. As you already know, Miko is a fox lady. And fox, like I said in this video, their favorite fruit is tofu. And that's why Miko's favorite fruit is also fried tofu. So today, I will be using tofu related products and vegetables to make a whole table of food and eat it by myself. Which means this is gonna be a cooking mukbang. Vegan. Let's get started. Cooking time. So these are the ingredients that we're gonna use for the soya miso tofu hotpot. Itadakimasu. Cheers. Let's have a tofu. Miso soya tofu, definitely 10 out of 10. Have some mushroom. Oh my god, I'm in heaven. I actually have like a tiny lunch today, so I'm starving. This is so good. Let's have some udon. Cincinnati udon is my favorite. Naruto. And I'm gonna soak the tofu into the soup. Oh my god, this is so juicy. I can't. the udon. Bring on the hot pot. Hot pot, start. Let's eat some veggie. So keeps getting into my mouth. Mushroom. And the tofu. All I want is tofu, 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 tofu. Not just my nasty tofu, 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 tofu. And then let's eat our slightly overcooked mushroom. Oh my god, this is so juicy. It's soaked with this miso soup. Miso just goes so well with anything, even soy milk. If you're vegan, this is perfect. But if you're not vegan, this soup goes best with chicken meat. My, oh, my broccoli. Naganeki. This is so sweet. Not tofu. The mushroom just got stuck into my teeth. God, they're so good. Cheers. Even though this is a mukbang, but I'm actually just eating tons of vegetable. I don't know if this is healthy or not. Healthy stuff, but unhealthy amount.
Waifu, can I have some as well?
Okay.
Thank you.
So, my husband just said, he just asked if he can have some as well. So I'm gonna share these with him. So, let's jump to the dessert, which is a Chinese style tofu pudding. Ooh. Let's finish the dessert. This sauce silky and smooth. It's like sweet, but with a really rich soya taste, and then it's just so smooth. It slips into my throat. Wow, this is so good. I think the dessert. I think the dessert is definitely a favorite out of all dish. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this, my first attempt of cooking mukbang, and I'm gonna share the rest of the food with my husband and make sure nothing goes to waste. See you next time. Bye. Good night.
Subscribe.